Hello, in this video we will demonstrate all the functionalities of Odoo Slack connector. So first we will go to apps, search Slack here and click on activate. It may take a bit long, so I will pause the video. So now the Slack connector is installed. Now we will go to settings. Here Slack. Here this checkbox enables real-time messaging. By real-time messaging, I mean that when we send a message from Odoo, it would be automatically posted on Slack. So first we will check this, and we will also enter the client ID and client secret. To get these credentials, we'll go to api.slack.com, go to your apps here, and click here. I can get all the client ID and client secret. But first we have to also activate the redirect URL. For that we will go to OAuth and permission. I have already enabled it here. Here we will add the URL, save URL and reinstall to Techloyce. That is the important steps for this configuration. Now we'll go to back to basic information and copy the credentials. After this I will click on save at the top left corner of the screen and click on build connection. The URL is not enabled here, so I will just check it here. I have to change the redirect URL. Click on save URL. Now reinstall it again. Click allow. Now we will try to build the connection again. Now the connection is authorized. Now go back to settings, click on Slack and enable these checkboxes. Now I will click on sync user. This will sync all the existing users from Slack to Odoo. Now we can check whether the user is synced or not by going to users. These are all the users of my Slack. I can show you here app.slack.com. So these are the 6 users on Slack and these are the 6 users on my Odoo account. Another way to check is to add a custom filter here and use the Slack username filter to check that. So now we will import all the channel and their messages. For that I will click on sync channels. Basically the channels will be created in using a scheduler action. A scheduler is an automated action that keeps executing after a specific interval. That is something that we added to this module because there was an API rate limit error while syncing hundreds of messages from Slack to Odoo. So in we have set the interval to 2 minutes. You can change that by going to activate the developer mode, going to settings again, technical and scheduled action. This is the channel that will add the Slack user and messages from the Slack. So I set at a time interval of 2 minutes. You can also change that, and also you can also run manually to if you want to sync quicker. So these are all my Slack channels, which includes a private channel too. So these are all the channels here and all the users here. So in a couple of minutes, I will be able to sync all the messages. So after a couple of minutes, a lot of messages has been synced. As Odoo 17 does not have a feature of threads, so we have treated them as channels, and we have added a field of parent channel. This parent channel tells us the name of the original channels on Slack, and these channels are, you can say, sub channels. So these are all the messages that are getting synced. Let's wait so that all the messages are being synced. Now all the messages are being synced. So you can see that pictures and, you can say, PDF are also being synced. Now I will send a message from Slack here, and it will be, you can see that message will be posted on Slack. Logging out to a user. So you can see that our message here, today is Thursday, and you can see that it on the social channel that the message is being synced here.